To clear your browser history on Android, we'll first go to Chrome. Tap those three dots in the top right corner. Here you'll have a couple of options, either the History menu or Delete Browsing Data. Delete Browsing Data gives you sort of a condensed, quick menu to clear things. You can choose the time frame you want to clear, and it's a quick way to clear your history. If you want more control over what's being deleted, go to the History tab. Here you see your browsing history, and you can delete individual sites and pages by tapping the little X icon. If you tap Delete Browsing Data, you'll see a full list of options, including the time frame you want to clear, and checkboxes that allow you to choose what exactly will be deleted. I like the ability to customize what's being cleared, and if you want to clear absolutely everything, just check all the boxes and tap Delete Data. If you want to browse without having your page history saved on your device, you can use private browsing or the Incognito mode for that. I have a separate video for that, so if you're interested, go give it a watch. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and feel free to take a look at my Android playlist. It's full of quick, short guides like this.